welcome back to the journey to get 800 on SAT Math. So today we will do the practice 2, and you guys can watch the practice 1 on my channel, and you can also subscribe to see more videos about SAT, especially math. And today we will do with part 1 of practice 2. So this is the first question. So this is easy one, like for the youngest. So sorry, for x plus 6 equal 18, so it means that for x equal 12, actually you only need to calculate until here, the step 1. You don't need to calculate x equal what. So now you see the question that which equation has the same solution, so it means C, right? You see on the screen M and N are parallel, so it means that W will equal 170. So the correct answer is D, right? What is the mean height in centimeters? So we just calculate the average or the mean. Okay, we just add up all of the numbers. 6 plus 10 plus 13 plus 2 plus 15 plus 22 plus 10 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, and then we will count how many numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we will divide by 10. Take out your calculator and we will calculate together. Okay, equal 9, so the answer will be 9, right? Next, this is a problem, but it's just easy, believe me, because it is the beginning of the task, so it should be easy. B represent bird and arm represent reptiles. So now they ask that we will have 16 reptiles, so how many birds? So we just replace R equal 16 and then we calculate B plus 5 times 16 equal 80, but this one already equal 80, so we have 2.5 B plus 80 equal 80, so B equals 0. A, right? A cube has an edge length of 41 inches. What is the volume? So now we will try to remember the formula of volume of a cube is V equal A cube. So now they already give us 41, so we simply take 41, we could factor of 3 and then we will calculate it, and it equal 68921. So the answer should be D, right? 13 is B percent of 25. What is the value of P? So we have 25 times P percent equal 13. So take out your calculator and we just do it. We have that P percent equal 0.52. So B should be 52, right? Try to remember the formula for this kind of word problem. B equal E initial, that is initial figure that the question will give you. For example, now they give you 15,000, and then we will have 1 plus r is the rate that it increase or decrease, and then factor of x. So now we will have 15,000 and then 1 plus the question give us 4%, so we will have 4% x, and then 15,000 1 plus 0 0.4 0.04, yeah, and then we will simplify it, and then we have 1.04 x, so it's D, right? Next, what's the positive solution to the given equation? So you just take out your calculator and then calculate the solution. Actually, you can do by hand, but it will take you much time, really. So to save your time, just take out your calculator and let the calculator do for you. -4 -7 and then 36. So the first solution should be 9/4. The second -4. So we will take 9/4 because it's the positive solution, right? Wow, standard deviation, this kind of hard, because you know that in SAT math, the part about statistics, standard deviation, kind of more advanced than other parts. But now let's consider this question. They give us the figure class A and class B, and then they ask that compare the standard deviation of the numbers of two classes. So you have to know that the definition of standard deviation is like the vary from the mean. Yeah, how is it far or near the mean? So now we will consider the mean. We don't need to give the exact mean, we just estimate it. For class A, mean maybe between 4, 5, something like that, and in class B, mean also maybe 17 or 18. But another point that you need to know, you need to figure out is that every point, every dot in class A is similar to class B. You see the pattern of two classes is exactly the same. So no matter the mean, or you don't need to calculate, you see that all the points, the dots, are the same. So you can conclude that the standard deviation of two classes also the same, right? Because if 20 here is far from 17, 20 has 7 points that far from 17 from the mean, just example. And then consider class A, we have 7, and then we also have 7 points that also the same distance to the mean 4. So it's completely the same, so we don't need to calculate the detail. We can conclude that two classes are the same. So the correct answer should be, let me see, B, right? The graph, they ask that how many values of x does f(x) equal 0. So this is another form of question that asks you how many solutions. So you see that -1 is one solution, 4 is one solution, and 7 is one solution. Why? Because try to remember that solution, we will find x. So it means that solution also x-intercept. So what does x-intercept mean? So it means that your graph will intersect with the x-axis. So you see there are 3 points that intersect on the x-axis. So you see -1, 4, and 7. So it's 3 points. It's also the answer. So C. Right. Divide by 3x equal 19 times a factor of x. If so, we just replace it x equal 3, and we have 3x equal 2375 a, and then we replace x equal 3, and we have 2375. We'll take out your calculator and we will calculate a. A equal 5. So now they ask the value of G4. So we just replace A equal 5, and that's all. X equal 4. X equal 4 and A equal 5. 19 times 5x. 19 times 5, 4 equal 11875. You see, right? This is kinda familiar, right? Y equal, we will time together x squared plus 4x minus 2x minus 8, and we will simplify it x squared plus 2x minus 8, and the second equation we have y equal 16 minus 12, and then we will put it together x squared plus 2x minus 8 equal 6x minus 12, and we have x squared minus 4x and plus 4. Yeah. And they ask about the solution. X plus 2 equals 0 is the special form, so try to remember. So we will have x minus 2 squared equals 0. So the solution should be x equal 2. You see here, x equal 2, and then y should be equal 0. So correct answer is C. Right.